It's a bright morning in Dhaka. The city is alive with sound, rickshaws ringing their bells, buses honking, people rushing to offices and universities. In the middle of this busy street, a young man named Ramim is walking to class. But today, he has a small mission. He wants to stop at a cafe and order his coffee in English. Now, Ramim has practiced at home. He has said the sentences many times in front of the mirror. But this time, it's real. It's his first time trying English in a cafe. He pushes the cafe door open. Ding! The little bell above it rings softly. The warm smell of fresh coffee fills the air. Behind the counter, a friendly barista looks up and says, "Good morning. What can I get you today?" Ramim takes a deep breath. His heart beats a little faster, but he remembers his practice. He smiles and says, "Good morning. I'd like a medium cappuccino, please." The barista nods politely. "For here or to go?" Ramim thinks for a moment. He has time before class, so he answers, "For here, please." The barista asks again, "Any sugar?" Ramim shakes his head and says clearly, "No sugar, thank you." Then comes another question. "Can I get your name?" Ramim replies slowly and clearly, "Yes, my name is Ramim, R-A-M-I-M." The barista writes it down and says with a smile, "Perfect, that will be 200 taka, please." Ramim pays and answers politely, "Here you go." The barista nods, "Thank you, your coffee will be ready soon." Ramim walks to a small table near the window. He sits down. For a moment, he feels proud of himself. It was only a short conversation, but it was all in English. He did it. As he waits, he listens to other customers. One person says, "Can I have an iced latte, please?" Another asks, "Could you repeat that, please?" Ramim notices, these are simple, natural phrases. This is how people really use English. Soon, the barista calls out, "Ramim, cappuccino for Ramim." He walks to the counter, smiles and says, "Thank you very much." The barista replies warmly, "Enjoy your coffee." Ramim takes the first sip. The cappuccino is hot and creamy. He whispers to himself, "This is really nice." At that moment, his confidence grows. He thinks, "Next time, I will try something new. Maybe an iced coffee. Maybe a latte with oat milk." He practices quietly in his mind. "Less sugar, please. Extra shot, please. Can I pay by card?" These small phrases prepare him for the next time. Before leaving, Ramim smiles and says to the barista, "Thank you, the coffee is very good." The barista replies, "You're welcome. Have a great day." Ramim steps back outside into the busy Dhaka street. The sun is shining, the traffic is loud, but inside, he feels calm and proud. It was just a cup of coffee, but it was also a big achievement. He ordered in English. He succeeded. And as he walks toward his class, Ramim tells himself, "If I can order coffee in English, I can do many more things. I just need to keep practicing every day." And maybe this is the most important lesson. Learning a language is not about big steps. It's about small, real moments. One smile, one polite sentence, one simple coffee order. So, the next time you visit a cafe, remember Ramim's story. Take a deep breath, smile, and try in English. Don't worry if you make mistakes. People will understand. And every small step will make you stronger. Thank you for listening to this story. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and soon English will feel natural for you. See you in the next video.